Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we're taking a look at a few products from Ulanzi that they sent over for testing here. Now Ulanzi makes a lot of tools for creators, lights, mounts, accessories, basically the kind of gear that helps makes filming a little easier. And what I have here is a mix of a few different things. Some are small tools that you can carry everywhere, and one of them actually surprised me quite a bit. So in this video, I'll walk you through my experiences testing them, what I like about them, a few things that could be improved, and whether they're worth adding to your kit or not. Alright, so let's start with the first one. First up, we have the VL49 RGB Mini LED Light. What I like about this light is how simple it is. You turn it on, adjust brightness, change color temperature, or switch to RGB mode. That's pretty much it. And honestly, that's a good thing. Some lights have so many menus that you spend more time navigating settings than actually using the light. This one is just straight to the point. For something this compact, the output is surprisingly strong. It's obviously not meant to replace a studio light, but for quick interviews, product shots, or adding a bit of color in the background, it works really well. Mounting is also very flexible. You can attach it directly to a hot shoe, mount it to a cage, or place it nearby as a small accent light. It's lightweight, compact, and small enough that you can just leave it in your camera bag all the time. Battery life has also been solid during testing, and overall it feels like one of those tools that's good to have around. It's small, it's simple, and ready whenever you need it. And while filming a lot of B-roll for these products, I've actually used the light quite a bit. Next up here, we have something much smaller, but honestly, it's been very useful. This is the Ulanzi Creative Small Wrench. Now, at first glance, it might not look like much, but if you shoot with cages, tripod plates, or mounting arms, you already know how often something needs tightening. This little tool here includes both a hex key and a flathead screwdriver, which means you can tighten things like camera cages, quick release plates, and small mounting screws. And despite being so small, it actually feels really sturdy. It doesn't bend or flex when you're tightening something down, which is exactly what you want from a tool like this. And the best part is how small it is. You can attach it to a keychain or keep it in your pocket. So instead of digging through your bag looking for tools, it's just right there. It's a simple tool, but it's very useful. Next up, we have the MT44B Dual Mate. This is a hybrid selfie stick and a tripod, and I have to say the build quality actually surprised me. A lot of selfie sticks feel flimsy, but this one feels solid in the hand. One feature I really like is the instant tripod deployment. You set it down and the legs open immediately. That makes solo filming way easier, especially when you need to place the camera down quickly. Another nice thing is the flexibility. It supports both smartphones and cameras. And there's a built-in phone holder that slides depending on the setup. And there's also a standard 1/4-inch mount for attaching a camera. I even tested it with my Canon R6 Mark II, and now obviously it's not meant to replace a full tripod, but for something this compact, it handled the weight surprisingly well. The extension also feels smooth and secure, and it includes a detachable remote, which makes recording yourself a lot easier if you're working alone. So for travel, vlogging, or if you just want a quick setup, it's actually a very practical tool to use. Now this next product is the one that really caught me off guard. This is the Ulanzi D200X Creative Stream Controller. At first glance, it looks like a typical Stream Deck, but it actually does quite a bit more. The buttons are fully customizable, so you can assign them to launch things like DaVinci Resolve, Lightroom, OBS, Photoshop, or even ChatGPT. This means you can build your own workflow shortcuts depending on how you edit or how you create. The icons are bright and easy to see, and the buttons have a nice tactile feel when pressing them. But the interesting part is that it also works as a desktop hub. On the side and the back, you get a full-size SD card reader, a micro SD card reader, 2 USB-A 3.0 ports, 2 USB-C ports with up to 100 watt power delivery, 1 HDMI output, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. So it's not just controlling software, it's also expanding the connectivity on your desk. Transfer speeds from the SD reader has been fast, which is great when you're moving large video files, and it can also display information like CPU usage, RAM usage, and GPU activity directly on the screen. Now, there are a couple of small things worth mentioning though. The included USB-C cable is quite short. And on Windows, the software doesn't fully support customizing the knobs and certain buttons yet, so hopefully that will improve with updates. But overall, this thing is actually pretty impressive and I've been using it a whole lot. It's a great combination of a workflow controller and a desktop hub all in one. So the D200X is definitely staying on my desk because I noticed that I've been using it a whole lot every day. Now the last product here is the Ulanzi VL49B. Right away the build quality feels solid. It has a sturdy housing and uses a Bowens mount, which is great because that means it works with a huge range of light modifiers like softboxes and reflectors. Now this is a bicolor LED light, which means you can adjust the color temperature between warm and cool light depending on the look you're going for. It's also designed to run on either a V-mount battery or a DC power adapter. Unfortunately, the unit arrived without the power supply, so I haven't been able to power it on yet or test it out. But Ulanzi has already sent out a power adapter though, so once that arrives, I'll be able to test things like brightness output, color accuracy, and how it performs without different modifiers. So testing on this one is still in progress. But from a build and design perspective, it definitely looks like a light that's meant to fit easily into a professional lighting setup. So overall, I think Ulanzi is doing a really good job focusing on practical tools for creators. These aren't flashy products, they're just small pieces of gear that makes filming easier. The VL49 RGB is a light you can carry anywhere. The Creative Small Wrench is one of those tools you'll be glad to have when something loosens up. The Dualmate tripod is surprisingly solid for something so compact, and the D200X controller ended up being the biggest surprise of the bunch, and I love it. As for the VL120BI, I'm looking forward to testing it once the power supply arrives. So if you're curious about any of these products, I'll leave links in the description below. Some of those may be affiliate links, which means I might get a small kickback if you decide to pick one up, but the goal here is to really just show you the gear and share my experience testing it. So let me know what you think in the comments, and if you're new here, feel free to like the video, subscribe for more gear breakdowns like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.